Hey, what's up, guys? I have a little haul for TOG Jigs. I guess this could be a sheephead jig too, but it got shipped. It's one of those custom made, not custom made, I guess, homemade jigs. I think it comes from Florida. Anyways, they're pretty good. I mean, it comes in 15, and then bought it for about $35, so it comes out to be a little over $2 each, I think, which is a pretty good price because these guys are 2 ounces. So you're getting the weight and the hook. Hooks are not one of those cheap hooks. They're all these, what do you call it, coated hooks that slips in and doesn't. It's like rust proof. I'm not sure. It could be like gamakatsu or most likely a mustad. One thing I have complained is these things tend to be a little bit thick. So if you're using it on a crab, unless it's a big crab, if I want to hook a small one, I guess it works out too. I like to put it through its joint, the leg joints. I won't be able to do that with these because it's a little bit thick. So I will just hook it through the center of the body, which makes sense. So no complaint there. Anyways, it comes in 15. It's nicely polished. You could tell it's made from someone's garage, I guess. So support these hobbyists. Hopefully it's, I would imagine it's hobbyist. They don't have any reviews yet. I'll probably add my first review on Amazon. And I love these little silicones. If you haven't seen it, my previous video had this silicone. I'll put a link on this silicone as well as my Amazon affiliate page. If you buy through my link, I do get somewhere between 1% and 3%. So that will be helpful if you guys don't mind. Click on that, and then yeah, I'll just use that money to spend more on fishing tackle to share with you guys. Pretty good purchases. So these are cheap. I like how the weight and how well it balances. See? It won't fall to the side no matter what you do. It'll land like just like that. That's what you need for togs, right? It's well made, so it's not going to. The problem with a lot of fishing is like this. If you have it on the side or your hook is flat, it's harder for togs or any fish to just get a big one gulp of it. So you want it kind of like pointing up. So when it attacks it, you get hooked and you could set it right away. So this is well made, perfectly made, exactly what I wanted. So I'm very happy with this. And then this little thing, silicone again, fits perfectly. Just like that, I could push it in all the way. Man, no more getting poked. Am I the only one? I'm like prone to getting poked. So this is a lifesaver for me. I'm getting another box of these soon. But this is a lifesaver for me. Because when oh, that one's poking out. I get poked all the time, like reaching in or just moving things around. So just having this is so great. No more getting poked. And then, unlike the other ones, the plasticky ones, even if it's like this, you just have to turn it, rotate it, and it just slips off. This silicone thing, maybe the silicone itself works like that, or, you know, and you don't have a bulky, you know, like a cork or styrofoam. You just have this, so you could just hang it or put it in a bag. It won't get all bulky. And then I'll shout out to one of my subscribers now in our fishing group, Joe. I won't say his full name. You know who you are. He gave me 2 of these during our fishing trip, and unfortunately I lost both of them. But he caught a giant tog. I mean, I don't know how heavy it was. If you are watching this, Joe, leave a comment how heavy. I would imagine that was a I know Terry got the 12 pounds, so yours were as big as his, so I would imagine yours were around at least 9 to 10 pounds, right? But if you remember, leave a comment and let me know. But this is what's so great about it. This is this football jig. Is it's just like this, but you're stuck with this hook. But with this one thing is it's a football, so it sticks up like this, and you get to put any hook you want. So it's customizable, which I'm surprised they don't have more of them. Somehow Joe looked for this and found it because he was like, I want something that is customizable. So I like to put a thinner hook and maybe a bigger, thinner type of hook, and this is perfect for me. Just like that. Did I do it right? Am I facing down? But anyways, let me try this again. It's customizable. It could take this off. It's like this. It's not that hard. Okay. Now I can put it in right. Patient with me. This is new. So you put your line through here. Let me show you a closer look. You put the line through here, and then what will happen is you would put like a bait right here, and most likely if there's going to be a current underwater, so this is going to sit like this and stick up, while this will float up just like that and move around. So it's not going to be just sitting there just like that, but it'll give a little bit of action, and it'll float up too. This won't float up like this, right? It'll just stay stagnant just like that. But again, Joe wanted something that had a little bit of a movement, also have sort of a tailored hook, whatever hook he wanted to use. So this was perfect for me. So as soon as he told me where he got them from eBay, that's the only place they sell at this point. They have football jigs like this, but then they're all built like permanent hooks, so you can't do much about it. So hopefully there'll be more people selling this kind. But for 5 of them, it wasn't much. I think it's a very good price. They had a ½ ounce and 1 ounce is what I bought. And I'll put a link to it for the eBay as well. I love how customizable this could be. I could put a short hook, long hook, J hook, circle hook, whatever you want to do. You could do it with this jig. I wish there were more jigs that could be customizable like this, but I kind of get it, and it worked for him. If I didn't get snagged so much, I most definitely would have caught something with this one. But I like how, again, this will float up like this and move around like this, giving it a little bit of an action without me jigging it or moving it. So go check him out. I'll put it in my comment section as well as description of the link. So anyways, I hope this was helpful for you guys. I make this video, I don't time it. I'm not like a YouTuber. I don't plan to be. I just enjoy sharing what I buy, and through my channel I learn so much from and meet a lot of people that give me a lot of tips and things like that. So that's what I enjoy. So you'll see more videos, random videos coming out, not fully scheduled. I'll do like live videos to just share my excitement of. And then, yeah, it's not that quiet, right? I have kids that also will go fish with me. Anyways, if this was helpful, if you guys enjoyed it, please click that like button. And then also, if you're going to buy it, use for Amazon, I have an affiliate. And then for eBay, I don't have one. I don't even know how to do it. Anyways, I'll talk to you guys later with more tackles that I'll be sharing with you guys.